hair that I am wearing is a wig. It is a 13 by 6 curly lace wig. I had to run back on all the details because everybody keeps asking, where you get your hair from? Where you get your hair from? And I had like totally forgot because I was like ordering so much stuff that day. And I have it all today. So I have in a 13 by 6 lace front wig. On the caption at the top, it does say HD transparent lace. So it's a HD transparent lace, which I never even heard of such thing. So I believe it's just a transparent lace front wig, and it is 13 by 6. My part goes all the way back, and I think I can part a little bit more back there, but I am in love. Like this hair, I'm a type of girl who just likes straight hair, and this curly hair is getting me all types of vibes this season. Jumping into this fall, you know, don't touch me, don't touch my hair. Simple. But I have all the details right here. Let's get into it because I will talk y'all to death. But the box it came in, the name of the company is Aimoonsa. This is the box, Aimoonsa. It's not an actual vendor I heard previously like other people usually do. So I was actually doing a lot of research, checking reviews and everything. But one thing that caught my eye with this company, I was going through the reviews and I seen one picture and it sold me. It sold me because whoever uploaded the picture, they got their hair done by Erica J. And that right there was confirmation that, oh, this is the hair for me. Because I do hair, and as a stylist, you can't do cheap hair. You can't do hair, you know how people bring you hair and they just expect a miracle. No, sis, it ain't gonna be like that. So once I seen that picture, how Erica J did the hair, I was like, oh, click, add to cart. That's it. This is what I'm getting. But so far, I love the hair, even though it's only been a couple of days. I actually ordered the hair Friday on the 20th and received it Wednesday. When I got home from work, it was sitting right there on my steps, which it took about a week, less than a week. That's fine. As long as it's not longer than a week, because we need our hair done for the weekend. So I'm just, touching it because I actually like really love this hair. But it's called Aimoonsa. It came in this box, and it has all the hair care instructions on the back. Of course, it came in the DHL bag, as y'all can see. I ripped right through it to get to it, in a rush. Hurry up and give me my wig. But one thing that I did notice that it didn't give me my you know how if you order something, it shows you like a basically receipt, the piece of paper that has all the information on it, because I was trying to help y'all guys out, but I had to actually go online to find all my details, but they did not give me that. Of course, they're just to and from, and my priority mail one day, well, it says one day, and all that with my tracking number, and that is about it on this bag. But okay, so in the box, you open the box up, the wig actually came in this plastic bag, which is fine, and they did label it right there. It says 22 inch, 130% density, and it says curly. Honestly, I thought I'd ordered a deep wave, but I didn't know because I didn't have that receipt thing, so I didn't really know. And when I was actually, given this wet look, I was like, dang, this looks curly and not deep wave-ish, but turns out I ordered curly and not deep wave. So anyways, of course it has this thing, whatever to order together. Comes with an adjustable strap, which I did not use, of course, because it's still in the box. Some bomb lashes. Like these lashes I will actually wear. whenever I take these off. But these are some nice lashes that come with it. And of course, a reward card, thank you, and everything else. I will more than likely be ordering again. But that's everything that came in their box. The box is durable and good condition, so it wouldn't mess up really easily. So I know y'all curious of how much I paid for it, but let's just get into it because I want y'all to watch the whole video before you know exactly how much I paid for this. This hair is bomb, like no lie, like this hair is bomb. I was kind of sketchy because I never actually ordered a wig. I actually always just make my wig, but I actually ordered it. I took it out the thing and it was super soft. I hurry up and called my friend. I said, girl, this hair is so good, like immediately. I had ordered this hair. It had a net around it. Took it out the net, super soft, like it felt like cotton. I was like, oh my gosh, it's so thick. I'm actually insert a clip of me just showing it. When I had just took it out, it was so full from root to tip. Like my ends are full and they're curly. You know how you order hair and it looks stringy? No, this is curly all the way down to the ends. And most hair is not like this. Like you can tell, like it's thick, it's nice, and it's honestly one of the best investments I made. With curly hair, I don't actually mess with the hair too much because it's curly. You know, you may have tangles, may have shedding, and all of that. So getting into those details, of course it's just been a couple of days. I haven't really had tested out a little too much, but so far it's soft. I had actually washed it because I had bleached the knots actually, and it came pre-plucked. You don't have to pluck it necessarily, but I did. I extra plucked it because, you know, my hairline's not that thick. So I did all of that, washed it, let it air dried, and it just instantly curled back up. It curled under the water. I didn't really have no problems with it, no tangling. Until now, I still don't have any tangling. Like I have snags, like, you know, I have snags like that because it's so thick going all the way through, but it's not like tangling to the point where you have to take your comb and like comb it out. No, it's not like that. You'll get snags and that's about it, but it's expected with curly hair. Shedding, it sheds every day. It sheds every day. It's not like, oh, you wake up with a whole bunch of hair on your shirt. No, it sheds if you mess with it and comb it, and if you were to do the wet look, you don't have to, but if you were, you're gonna get hair. And me personally, I actually pull the hair out. Like I go like this and like pull the hair out, which I don't have no hair right there because I'm not trying to make it shed. I need all the hair in this wig because it is 130 density. It's actually pretty full. Usually you want, you know, 180 is really full, but 130, this hair is actually really good. It's really all you need. I like full hair, like straight hair. I want it full. Like if you're sitting like this and you can like see all the way back, you need some more hair. But this hair is actually full, but because it has the wet look, you would think you can actually really see through it, but you can't. Like the curl definition is so uniform and it's so pretty. Like this hair is like bomb. Like y'all have to get it. Like I'm not just saying this, but this hair, I got in so many compliments. I just did my hair Saturday. Just did it Saturday, and so many compliments on this hair. Like the lace is enough. This hair is just amazing, like period. Like you can't tell me nothing, you can't sit by me. That's how good this hair is. This lace is amazing. I did use a lace tint that I received from one of my good friends. She is into all of that lace tinting, so if you need some, I can put her information down below or comment below and I can give you her information. I did use the lace tint. It worked, but honestly, this hair was like gorgeous. Like, it's truly gorgeous. Like, y'all can see that for yourself. And I'm not lying. Like, this hair is like gorgeous. Like, and when you don't have the wet look, it's big. It's really big. So that's why, you know, since I'm used to straight hair, I kind of want like the nice wet look. And this hair is not wet. I actually have a curling cream that I use by Shea Moisture to curl, not to curl my hair because it's already curly, but to actually give this wet look. I have like a curling cream that I use to make it shiny and to give this actual look. I will leave all that information below. I do use mousse and sometimes water, and that's about it. But y'all, this hair is amazing. It's truly amazing. It's a good investment. And this is 22 inches. Where does it come on me? I got all this hair in the back. It stops, I guess. You can see it. I'm trying to stand up on my tippy toes because you can't see. It's right underneath my chest area. It's actually kind of like too long for me. I didn't really expect it. I wonder if y'all can see all of that. It stops actually like right above my butt area. So it's actually kind of long. You probably can't see it, but this hair is definitely worth your coins. Definitely worth your coins. Now, getting into the price. I know everybody wants to know how much it is, and it's affordable, sis. It's affordable. And, you know, I used to buy hundreds and hundreds of dollars of hair, but I'm trying to look out for all of us, and I'm looking for affordable hair. So, this hair was just, you know what? I actually think I paid less for it because I used the coupon on AliExpress. I used the coupon. It was like $6 off. So I know for a fact I did not pay more than $180 online. Online it says $176 and I believe like 94 cents, but it has a coupon where you can get like $2 off, $3 off. I think that's how I do it. Actually, before I just made this video, I had to go online and get all my information. And I actually think there's a coupon for $6 off. So $170. And, you know, that's worth it. That's worth it for good hair. That you don't have to make a wig. It's already a wig. It's actually, you can put on and go. Cut the lace off and go. Like this part, did not pluck it. This part is naturally like this. It's a long 13 by 6. I'm in love. And I actually think, I don't want to kind of mess up my hair. You can actually like, you see that? You can already see scalps. You can see the scalp. But I don't want to kind of mess up my hairline. But this hair is like bomb. Do y'all see them edges? Like, this hair is bomb and it's worth all your money. It comes in a couple of days. You know, it doesn't tangle, it does snag, but that's okay because it's curly hair. You're probably getting trapped in a curl. So this hair is a good investment. Again, it's by Aimoonsa. It's a 13 by 6 lace front wig. 13 by 6 lace front wig from AliExpress. And you can go online and see the reviews for yourself. I mean, I'm just another person, but go online and see the reviews for yourself. You can see in the pictures, everybody's hair is bomb. Everybody. And if everybody's hair is bomb, because you know how you got some people that's like, oh, well, they send some. No, I'm just a regular person who ordered some hair, and it turned out to be some good fine hair. Soft. The color actually is like a blackish brown. There's some brown highlights to it. Some brown highlights to it, but the hair is amazing. You know, It's amazing for $170. I mean, it's affordable, under 200 limit. It's full lace wigs. It does have clips. There's a clip in the back. There's clips on the sides, which I did not do. And it does have a lace in the back, so if you want to glue it down, you can, which I did not do. This time I did not do the bolt hold. I did gotta be glued because I change up my hair a lot. And I just did a gotta be glue and it stayed down. You can put it up if you want to, which I'm not because I'm trying to look cute and I need it down. You know, it's fall. So I got my fall look and voila. But as y'all can see, this is like the perfect hair, good curly hair, affordable hair. You can't get no better than this. Just saying. Alright, if you like and enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment below any more questions about this hair if you need to. I will list all the links below. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Go ahead and order this wig. You can't go wrong. If you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel. I will keep you updated on the hair videos and anything else that you want to know. Like this video if you like the hair. Comment below for any more questions, and thank you for watching.